Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the upwards move continues, the grind continues, the trend continues, whatever you want to say about it. And updates definitely need to be done. I've done this analysis now quite a bit this past week, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But like I said, after today's very nice movement, let's get some things updated. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line down there. Sure, that level still pertains to the chart, just not relevant right now and from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter and lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, right there at 1260 is now what I would call the ideal level of support. When you're asked, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay up above 1260. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to just gauging the health of the overall move, that right there being defined as the overall move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above that level would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, at this point, they just don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, it matters the most of what the price has already been doing, and that's this right here, just building those higher lows, or if you want to envision these as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upwards direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So sit back and let the trend do what it's really already been doing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.